The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offense is intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Featherweight. Wow. Why sometimes the body camera hard for fixing them, you know. Hold on, where you run the featherweight?
Officer, listen, officer, do right. After 15 years, we had the police work, and I never have a camera yet.
The government passed the law, so we have to wear body camera featherweight.
No government that don't pass something. Yeah. I want to go on over this. Wait, what's happening here?
Officer, where you jam me so far?
What's happening here?
And the LSC says the transport to wait one for Gaton. I want to use
Squad here!
Featherweight, remember you're not wearing the camera. Listen, all this has been recorded now. All this has been recorded.
Oh, you know, say, camera? That's not bad. Well, I missed a video like, yeah. Big up to me two baby for them in a prison. Benchy down a Tamarind Farm and locked up a JP. Yeah, big up yourself. I'm a good hairstylist, Chani here from Princess Street. Yeah. I'm a mate with stay body van. Go your nose big like sweet pepper. Where?
Yeah. Hold on, officer. Remember to come out of my party in a TV boss and friends.
Excuse me, my actina. Well, I'm not can sing to. Well, I'm the Tanto go. She said she love off my floor Tanto go. Anyway, me go share for no Tanto go. She wants to step on my big toe.
Hold on, control.
Wait.
This video is not for this.
Wait.
Control.
I have to tell the Snapchat.
Control.
Wait.
Control.
I have to tell the Snapchat.
Control. We're not collecting any money. I mean, evidence.
That? You got that?
There you have it. There you have it. Usain Lightning Bolt. Wow. Champion again of the 100 meters title, Olympic title. Johan Blake, the world champion, got second, and Justin Gatlin got third. Oh, so sorry. So sorry, Pioneer Asafa Poyle got injured in the race. But what a 50th birthday present for Jamaica. Gentlemen, how do you feel? My panelists, Tim Collins, cricket analyst, and London Leighton, coach of the Reggae Girls. How do you feel, gentlemen? Welcome.
Quite elated.
Yes.
Elated.
Overlated is the word, gentlemen. Trust me, the entire world will be upon us once again to study why do the Jamaican sprinters run so fast. What do you say is the reason? Give them a reason.
Definitely. Trelawney Yam.
The yam.
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Not no yam for yam that run fast. Oh.
What is the reason then, sir?
Gunshot.
Gunshots.
This when you and I see end up on the starting block then. And the starter take out the gun and say, get set. Go! Gone them gone.
Gunshots!
Remember me tell
That's the
you.
reason why Jamaican sprinters run so fast. Wow! What a feeling. We'll be having the post-race interview in just a couple seconds. No? Oh, well, we're told we have online our dear Madam Prime Minister. Welcome to Gold Story, Madam Prime Minister.
Thank you for having me. I am not normally lost for words, but I cannot express how happy I am feeling at this time.
Sorry, Madam Prime Minister, I think we're getting the feed with the interview. No? Right, back at you, Madam Prime Minister.
Yes.
Sorry.
A grateful nation is jubilant tonight because...
One second, Madam Prime Minister. Yes, we are getting that feed now. No? Right, back at you. I'm sorry, Madam Prime Minister. Apologies again.
Yes. As I was saying,
Yes.
the triumph of Usain.
Yes, one second, Madam Prime Minister. I think we shall indeed have that interview now. Right, back with you. I'm so sorry to be cutting you like this, Madam Prime Minister.
Listen, do not. I say do not interrupt me again, okay?
My apologies. Yes, Madam Prime Minister.
Thank you.
Yes.
I am very proud of the achievement of Yassine and Joanne.
Yes.
So sorry to see yourself injured.
Because
I was looking for
Madam Prime Minister?
1, 2, 3. But still, I have established a committee.
Madam Prime Minister?
This committee will plan a welcoming
Madam Prime Minister?
party for...
Hello? She's off? I think we have lost the... I think we have... viewers, I think we have, unfortunately, lost the Prime Minister, Madam Prime Minister. We've also lost the interview with Yassine. Viewers of Good Story, we'll be back in a short while.
And we're off.
My God! You see, I was trying to get her off the phone and she kept going on and on. Yes, didn't you see me trying to get her off? She's there talking about she's not normally at a loss for words. Pardon me?
Hello? Are you hearing me?
Hello, Madam Prime Minister? Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. Yeah. But not so much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy cat.